Hey everyone, welcome back to the Sedated Dev channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Sentry in a React Native application to monitor crashes and errors remotely. Sentry is a powerful tool that helps you identify and fix issues in production. So let's jump right in. I have already created an account in Sentry, as you can see, and I am at homepage here. Let's go to project section and then click on Create Project. Select React Native. You can give a name to your project here, create or choose a team if required, and then click on Create Project. Your project will be created and all the steps to set up your React Native app will be listed here. We will first install Sentry in our app. So I will copy this command, paste and run it in the terminal within our project. Click yes. Press enter, as we will be using the Sentry SaaS and won't be self-hosting. Yes, we already have a Sentry account, so select yes. It will open your browser to authorize you. Make sure you are logged into your Sentry account in your default browser. Once authorized, we'll go back to terminal. It will list the project that we created. Press enter. Yes, run pod install now. Now the installation is complete, and we get this small snippet to test out the integration. And we'll copy and paste it right here. Import all the dependencies like this. And save the file. If we go to our root app file, you can see that the command line installation added this code to initialize Sentry. This DSN will always be unique to your project. Similarly, it makes changes in your metro config file. Now let's run the app. I'll run npx pod install again. Start the Metro server and run the app. Let's wait for our app to build. Okay, the app is up and running. We can see the try it button that we added to test Sentry integration. And let's click on it. And now let's go to Sentry dashboard. Click on issues in the side menu. And we can see the error is successfully captured by Sentry. We can see different useful info related to the error in this page. Also the piece of code that triggered the error. So that's it, guys. We saw how to integrate Sentry with our React Native app to remotely track crashes and errors. And it was really easy. It is really useful to debug production application. I'll try to come up with more such useful videos. If you guys want to see something specific, do let me know in the comments. If you like the content, then do like, share, and subscribe. It will motivate me to keep making better videos. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys in my next video.